Ever thought dropping your controller could actually help you win? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to turn a potential mishap into a winning strategy. Hey gamers, welcome back to Tech Tips with your channel name. Today, we're diving into a quirky but surprisingly effective technique, intentionally dropping your Steam controller. You'll learn the science behind it, the best practices to avoid damage, and how this trick can give you a competitive edge. Let's get started. First, let's break down the mechanics. The Steam controller is built from a high-strength polymer blend and reinforced with a lightweight aluminum frame. When dropped from a moderate height, the shock absorption system compresses, allowing the internal components to settle into a more optimal alignment. Think of it like giving your controller a quick reset. We'll also cover how this affects the touchpad sensitivity and analog stick precision. You don't want to turn this into an accidental demolition. We'll talk about the ideal drop height, generally 4 to 6 inches on a cushioned surface. We'll demonstrate the proper technique, the right angle to hit, and how to check for any micro damage before you play again. Remember, a controlled drop is a controlled experiment. After a proper drop, users report a noticeable improvement in latency and responsiveness. We'll run side-by-side tests on FPS games and racing simulators to show the difference. Plus, I'll share a few pro tips on tweaking the controller settings in Steam to maximize the gains you just unlocked. Learn how to avoid the most common pitfalls, like dropping onto a hard surface or using a damaged controller. We'll also cover how to reset your controller's firmware after a drop, ensuring everything stays in sync. Bonus, I'll show you a quick DIY cushion kit to make your drops safer. We'll recap the key takeaways and highlight a few real-world gamers who've used this trick to climb the leaderboard. If you're still skeptical, check out the before/after footage in the next clip. Ready to give it a try? Let's finish with a quick safety checklist. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your own drop stories, and hit subscribe for more tech hacks. Until next time, keep gaming smart.